Hi, I'm Mike Auerbach. I'm the editor-in-chief of American Pharmaceutical Review here at Interfex 2025 in the Emerson booth, talking with Vince Massey. Vince, thank you so much for joining me today to answer some of our questions. Can you tell us about energy monitoring and why it's so critical for life science applications and in particular for their sustainability efforts?
Sure. Thanks, Mike. Our life science customers are getting very interested in keeping track of where their energy is going so they can meet their sustainability goals and so they can reduce their costs. They're measuring steam, water, air, and gas.
Can you tell us what solutions Emerson offers to improve energy efficiency, sustainability for life sciences applications?
One of the things Emerson's very pleased to release is our non-intrusive flow meter that we can attach to any pipe and measure your chilled water, hot water, steam, and gas. All of the things that take a lot of energy to run your process.
Vince, how can life science companies use the data that they collect to improve their energy and also their sustainability efforts?
So we can take the data and aggregate it through some of our own software. So we can send the right data to the right people. For example, maintenance can get the data to know that the device is working right. Process engineers can get the data to know that they're within the performance parameters that they need. And somebody who's keeping track of where the energy is going can get a monthly report to see what process is using the most energy.
So Vince, thanks so much for taking some time today and answering our questions about Emerson's products and systems. Can you tell people who are interested where they might be able to find out more?
Thanks, Mike. I'd invite people to come to emerson.com to learn about all of our solutions.